In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the first day of any month in Google Sheets. If you ever need the first day of a month for a report, a budget, or a dashboard, you don't have to type it manually or guess the number of days in each month. There's a single, reliable formula that does it for you every time. Start with any date you already have in your sheet. Click into the cell where you want the result and type equals EO, month, open parenthesis. Now, click the cell that holds your date, type a comma, then -1, and close the parenthesis. Finally, add +1 to the very end. Written, that looks like AEE, month, A2, 1 + 1. You can replace A2 with whatever cell holds your date. Here's why this works. EOMONT returns the last day of a month, based on a starting date and a month offset. By using -1, you ask for the last day of the previous month. Adding 1 day to that brings you to the first day of the month you care about. Because this calculation's built into Google Sheets, it handles every edge case for you: short months, long months, and even leap years. If your result shows up as a number instead of a date, that just means the cell is formatted as plain text or automatic. Change the cell to a date format so you see a normal calendar date. The output is a true date value, so you can sort it, use it in comparisons, or feed it into other formulas without any extra work. It also ignores the time portion, so whether your original date includes a timestamp or not, the result lands cleanly on day 1. And if you fill the formula down a column, it will adapt to each row's date. If you want the first day of the current month without referencing another cell, replace the date reference with today like this: EOMONT, today, Mart 1 + 1. Today updates automatically, so your sheet will roll over to the new month's first day as soon as the date changes. That means your summaries, filters, and charts can stay up to date with no manual edits. That's it. One compact formula gives you consistent, accurate results and saves time you can spend analyzing instead of typing. Try it in your sheet right now, and once you see how cleanly it works, use it anywhere you need a month anchor: budgets, forecasts, or monthly KPIs. Save time and automate your dates, and follow for more Google Sheets tips.